Today, we're taking a closer look at the UNINELL Home UV3 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner Bundle. This product is currently unavailable, which is a bit unfortunate, but let's dive into what makes it a noteworthy option for those considering a new vacuum cleaner. The UV3 comes with a replacement battery, power adapter, and 8 washable HEPA filters, which is quite impressive and adds a lot of value to the bundle. The cordless design offers unmatched convenience, allowing you to easily maneuver around your home without being tethered to a wall outlet. This means you can clean those hard-to-reach areas, like under furniture or in tight corners, with ease. One of the standout features of the UV3 is its HEPA filtration system. These filters are designed to capture allergens and fine dust particles, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. The inclusion of 8 washable filters is a huge plus, as it means you won't have to constantly purchase replacements. Simply wash and dry them, and you're good to go. This not only saves money in the long run, but also reduces waste, which is something we all should consider. The vacuum suction power is strong, and it performs well on various surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. Users have reported that it picks up pet hair efficiently, making it a great option for pet owners. The battery life is also commendable, providing ample time to clean multiple rooms before needing a recharge. However, it's important to mention that the availability of this product is currently uncertain. Potential buyers might have to wait for restocks, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on the UNINELL Home store for updates. Overall, the UNINELL Home UV3 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner Bundle seems like a fantastic investment for anyone in the market for a new vacuum. Its combination of convenience, strong performance, and thoughtful features positions it as a top contender in the cordless vacuum category. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning solution, this vacuum cleaner is definitely worth considering when it becomes available again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.